Okay, good evening and welcome again. Thanks a lot for coming on Sunday, second lecture. Whatever part we have completed in science, know that we will continue in another next lecture. Now, geometry, fourth chapter, construction. First part, we will not start from there. We will start from 4.2. Now, first problem. To construct a tangent to a circle with a center P in the radii 3.5 centimeter at any point M on it. 3.5 centimeter circle, and we have to draw single tangent. These are of two types, by using center, without using center. So first you have to construct 3.5 circle. Center is given P. Take any point on a circle M, and from M draw tangent. So from here, circle you have to draw left side, touch to the margin. Then draw the ray. Then this intersection is M. From M, less than radii, both the side 1 and 2. From here, both the side 1 and 2. From M, left side, from M, right side, same arc. Now, increase your arc, bigger. Now from this and this, upper side and lower side. Upper side, lower side. Again, first draw the circle. From P, draw one ray, so it will cut the circle at the point M. From M, 1, 2. From here, 1, 2. From here, 1, 2. Total 6 arcs we have drawn. From here, 1, 2. One pair, 1, 2. Second pair, from here, 1, 2. Third pair. Now try to joint this. It will, you have to join this A and B point. It will touch M or circle at M point. So this is the point, first point of the construction, to draw single tangent from a point on the circle by using the center, because center we have used. From P we have drawn one ray. Second question. Construction points we have not to write. In the question paper, they will write the instruction that don't write steps of the construction. Next, draw a circle of radii 2.7. Draw tangent to the circle at any point on it. Same we will draw. Now instead of 3.2, 2.7. 2.7. Suppose it is C. From C, cut the circle at any point M. From M point less than radii, left side, right side of the ray. From here, left side, right side. From here, M, N. Now, from these 2 points, from here, upside, downside. From here, upside, downside. Like this, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then, tries to join this AB point, your new point. Now we have taken 2.7 centimeter. Point number 1, 2.7. Point number 2, from C, one ray. It will cut the circle at M. From M, left side, right side. That you can give the name X and Y, for example. Now increase the arc from Y up down, from X up down. Joint, it will touch to the circle 100%. Draw a circle of radius 3.6 tangent to a circle at any point without using center. Now we will not use center. Three point 3.6, sorry. Three point six radii, circle with center, you can say center O. Now from O, we will not draw anything without using center. So only one tangent we need. So take any 3 point and draw triangle. A, B, C. You have learned that this is a tangent, this is a secant. Suppose this is 100, so this is 50. This is also 50. So suppose I want tangent. So this is 50, this is 50. So to this, I need congruent angle. First, draw the circle. Second, draw the triangle. Now from this A, from point A, just draw the arc. From A, now from C, outside. No need to cut that side. Now this X and Y you have to measure. Measure X and Y. This is X, cut. This is your X dash. This is Y dash. Again, circle, triangle, from A, one arc, X and Y. Then from C, from here, cut. So then this one. First I have taken A, that is on C. Then I have taken this much, X to Y. So X dash to Y dash, cut. So now that point we have to join with C. So this angle and this angle are congruent. So this angle and this angle are congruent. Again, I am explaining third one. First, draw the circle. Then take triangle ABC. From A, cut only angle, not circle. From C, one side and outside. This is X, Y. This is X dash, Y dash. Now measure this X and Y. Measure here only you have to measure, not to do the arc. From here cut. X to Y measure and from here X dash to Y dash cut. Then that intersection point you have to join with center. With C. This is 3 only. And the radii you are using is 3.6 centimeter. Fourth, draw a circle of 3.3 centimeters and take exactly point at a distance 6.6 centimeters. Now we have done single tangent with using center, without using center. Now we will draw two tangents from outside the point. This is on the circle, point on the circle, one tangent. Now point outside the circle, two tangent. In that also there are three different cases. Radii is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Radii is equal to 3.5 centimeters. Radii is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Here, distance from R less than double. Double is 7, less than 7 means 6 centimeter. Distance from center, not R, sorry, is exactly double. 2R less than R. Distance from center 8 more than 2R. First try to understand the question only. This is 3.5 and from the center the distance is less than double radii. From the center distance is exact double radii. From the center, all radii 3.5, 3.5, 3.5. What is double? 7. Here 7. Less than 7. More than 7. So the C are the center. P are the points. These at a distance less than double radii. This is exactly at double the radii. This is more than double the radii. So here 3.5, so less than 7. Here 3.5, so exactly 7. Here more than 7. Exactly 7, less than 7, more than 7. Process will be the same. Same process. In all three figures, you have C and P. This radii will be given, C to P given, C to P given, C to P given. Now forget about double, half, or more than, less than. From P and C, from P upper, lower, from C upper, lower. Here also from P upper, lower, from C upper, lower, from C upper, lower, from P upper, lower. First I have drawn circle, 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 3.5 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter. Exactly double, less than double, more than double. Second step. Third step. From P up and down, from P up and down, from P up and down, more than half of the segment. From C, same, 1, 2, so same, 3, 4. All 4 are of same. Suppose here you are increasing 1, 2, 3, 4, same. All 4 are of same. From here 1, 2, from here 3, 4, same. These 4 same, these 4. You can change from here to here, but these 4 should be of equal. For example, I've taken this. Now I will not change. 1, 2, from here 3, 4, same. Now joint opposite, opposite. So this will be inside the circle. This will just touch the circle because it is exactly double, less than double, so inside. This will be outside. This line will cut the circle. This line will touch the circle. This line will not touch. It is out. Now, very important. You will get a new point. This is middle and both are equal. This is the center, both are equal. This is also the center, both are equal. So new point you got O, O, O. New point O. From O, from O, from O to C, take the radii, new radii from O to C. Cut the circle. 1, 2. From O to C, cut the circle. 1, 2. From O to C, cut the circle. 1, 2. Again, 3.5 centimeter all. C to P6, C to P7, C to P8. Now from C up and down, P up and down, 4 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 arc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 arc. Join the line. It is less than double inside the circle. Exactly double touch the circle. More than double outside the circle. Then you will get a new intersection point. That is O. From new point to original center, measure this. From this, cut the circle 2 sides. From here, measure this much. Cut the circle 2 sides. From here, measure the C. Then cut the circle in 2 parts. That you can give AB name. If you will observe this video again and again, this is very easy. Now, from P to A, from P to A, which scale you will draw, no, so you will get accurate answer. From P to A. From P to A. only the questions, the distance are different in the question. Construction exactly same. When it is exactly double, it will touch, it will inside, it will outside, but from outside the point you are drawing two tangents. This is with the help of center. Now next, draw circle with the radii, draw chord, construct tangent. One, two, three, four. This is fourth one. Now fifth one. Draw circle of 3.4. Draw chord 5.7. Construct tangent MN. .4 circle. Chord we have to take radii 3.4 centimeter. Chord 5.7 centimeter. How to take chord? Draw segment of 5.7 centimeter in rough. From here to here, take the point, take the arc, sorry. One point here, metal point, pencil point here. So you will get 5.7. You have 5.7 now. Now this circle will be the left side. So this side, select any point from here. From here you have measured. So this same you cut. From any point of the circle, cut. From here, any point of the circle, cut. Now join this. So that is 5.7. Radii 3.4. Again, radii given, draw the circle. Chord is given, so in rough, draw the segment, and from here to here take the measurement, or directly on the scale also you can take. Select right side, select any point, cut the circle. Again, on that same point, cut. So both the side you will get the cut and join that cut. That is 5.7 your chord. Now you need know this method. This method you are going to repeat for twice, 2 times. This is the center, for example. This is A and B chord. So from C to B, you have to extend. From C to A, you have to extend. From the end point of the chord, from the center, ray will pass. In this, what we have done, 2 intersection point we got. So left side, right side. So from here, left, right. From here, left, right. Same measurement. Don't try to change. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same. Now, from this and this, same we have to do. Left, right. From here, left, right. From these 2 points, left, right. From here, left, right. Same. Now, this you have to join. If you will draw this per proper, you will get. So you have to extend. This is point again. I am repeating this diagram again. Draw first 3.4. Then take the distance 5.7 from here, cut. Again from here, cut. Now from the center, extend. Now from this point, left, right. From the point left, right of equal measurement. Then from here, only one side, okay. 1, 2, okay. That you can join with this. From these 2 points, from here 1, from here 2. So this is the center, this is AB. Fifth, draw a circle with the point P, radius 3.5, Q at a distance 5.5 from the center. 3.4, 5.5. Radii given 3.4 centimeter. Distance given 5.5 centimeter. 3.5 double 6.8. It is less. So this type. So what we will do first? Draw circle. Here it is not mentioned without center or with center. So when it is not mentioned, try with center. So this is the point P and outside Q. P from here measure, that is Q, because it will not more extend. Now from P, upside, downside. From Q, upside, downside. Now join that two. It is from Q, from P. It is less than double, so it will come inside. For example, O, new center, new midpoint you can say. Now you have to measure just O to P, just O to P. You have to take the measurement and just cut the, take here 1, 2, up to O to P, O to circle 2 point. This is 6. This. Seventh one. 4.1 construct a tangent to a circle from the point at a distance 7.3. 4.1, 7.3. Again less than double. Radii 4.1. Distance 7.3. Again less than.
Sir,
हाँ,
last 3 minutes.
we will complete. 4.1 centimeter. From here, 7.3 centimeter. This is not given. So A and B. From B, now join this. More than half from B up down. From more than half same. 1 to up and down. That is your perpendicular bisector. Means new center. From O to A, cut. From O up to a pencil point, cut the circle in two sides. Then from B, by geometrical instrument, you will get perfect. So this what we have completed here. There are only two exercises. So 4.2 we have completed. 4.1 tomorrow time we will decide and let you know. So dear student, to all the students, thanks a lot, because today on holiday Sunday you came 2 times for online lecture. Thank you very much. Observe this video again and again, and as per the instruction, have a habit of using instrument, and every mark you have to do single time. If we are lefty, opposite to body. If you are righty, opposite to body. One time mark. Don't give a zigzag written ticket like this. No, single. Okay. So thank you very much. How much minute now remain?
1 minute. Less than 1 minute.
Today how much students bacha?
So 30.
Number of students are not increasing. We are arranging special lecture for Sunday for you people only. Okay, thank you very much. Close the meeting.